walkthrough and a review of the steering wheel lock. It comes with a handy set of instructions, but if you watch this video through to the end, I don't think you'll need them. It's quite an intuitive product to use. One thing I really like about it is that it is bright yellow. You can't miss it from a mile away if you park on the street, night or day. Another great thing is that it comes with 2 sets of keys, so if you have 2 vehicles or you share this device with somebody, you can keep one on each fob. Very handy. You don't actually need the key inserted to extend it out into the locked position, but to force it back down into its least telescoped to the smallest position to get it out of the steering wheel, you will need to insert the key in the lock. So here we are in the car trying to place it in. As you can see, all you do is find a cross-section of the wheel. Crucially, one that does not beep the horn. I learned that lesson the hard way. Find a cross-section of the wheel that the device can fit comfortably in. Nest its prongs into one side of the steering wheel and then the other. Pull it into its most telescoped outward position as you can until you meet resistance. And then voila, it's done. And in order to drive the car again, you'll simply need to insert the key into the lock, turn it, and telescope it inward to then remove the device.